have Android, then we are using properly. But we are using, we are educated, we are understand social media is working properly, but some of them are not, understand that media.
Some of them
So
are
what?
misusing social media.
Yeah,
So, can you point out two advantages of using social media? Just two advantages.
two advantages. I'm using social media as learning something new things. That's why I'm also using. And without going anywhere, I can understand everything through this social media.
You
Without,
can get to know about what is happening around the world,
yeah,
sitting in your home.
yes,
Now, can you tell me anything about digital marketing?
exactly. I don't know digital marketing, but I heard something in YouTube, but I don't know exactly about digital marketing. People also, want to learn about digital marketing. Exactly, I don't know.
That's fine. It's basically selling and borrowing something via social media. That is what we call digital marketing. Selling your products, getting across people. That is
Yeah.
social media.
Hmm.
Now, does social media bring about any health issues? Using too much of social media, does that bring about any health issues?
Yes, definitely it's happen. Suppose you are using more and more time, that you definitely, you feel not healthy, according to me, because you are using more time, like late night you are sleeping, then you are not good, you are not feeling well, you are not in good health, according to me, because you are misusing your the social media site.
It can cause eye irritations,
Yeah,
depression.
yeah.
Are you addicted to social media?
Not too much, but whenever I feel, whenever I need, I am using social media, because everyone understand it's necessary for us, because in
Yeah.
especially for young generation, everyone is interested to learn, to understand, not only for Facebook or Twitter, maybe YouTube also. People are so aware, and people are also using YouTube for good productivity purpose, good understanding purpose, knowledging purpose. Like I'm also using YouTube for knowledge, knowledge gaining purpose.
Improving your knowledge,
Yeah,
enhancing your knowledge.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I understand. And what do you have to talk about cyberbullying? Cyberbullying cases are rising.
Can you understand me about cyberbullying? Exactly, I don't know cyberbullying. I know just about cyber. That means
Cyber means committing crimes through electronic media. Harassing or threatening people using electronic media is cyberbullying.
okay, okay. Yeah, it's also happening. It's day by day increase, day by day. It is also happening in our society, in our India. So we heard such types of news in news channels.
Okay. And have you gone through the material? Did you get the material about social media?
Yes, I went there and I just understand what is the topic, what is the material today. So I just you know read out that social media PDF, and after that I am join with you, and I'm talking with you.
Okay. You have to say you have gone through the material, not went through. Okay, you just got it wrong now.
Okay,
You go
okay.
through the
I
material.
I I
Go through the
I,
material.
I can say, because I'm not talking in this time. I'm talking like I have gone. That is
I have
wrong.
gone through
Right?
the material. I have gone through the material.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay.
Keep
Fine.
this in mind, okay?
Okay.
So have you gone through the couple of words that is given in the material? Is there any word that you're not familiar with?
Uh, I just understand anxiety is okay. I got it, but embarrassment is something difficult for me that I
to
can't
pronounce?
understand. No, 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 not pronouncing purpose. I can't understand what is embarrassment. Uh,
Embarrassment means you are feeling
like,
ashamed.
can you give me example? Like then I can understand properly. Then I can without
Okay.
problem.
For example, your teacher is giving you the exam papers
Okay,
and she is reading aloud the mistakes that you have made
okay.
in front of the whole class. So, what do you feel? You feel very ashamed. You feel so sad. That
Oh
feeling
yes.
is called embarrassment.
Okay, okay.
Do you understand that
Oh
now?
yes, yes. Everyone appears on that class and they feel love with me.
Yeah, they
When
will laugh at you. Not laugh with you, laugh at you. They'll mock you. They'll make fun of you.
yes, yes, yes. That is
That
called
is a feeling called embarrassment.
okay, okay, okay.
Is there any other word you didn't understand?
Uh, Nothing like that. But if you ask me about the topic of that word, could you please ask me and whatever I have knowledge I can share with you or you can share me.
Okay, now depression is very common today. Can you explain what depression is? Especially in this phase of COVID, depression is very common among youngsters. What is depression?
Depression means like people are not feeling well that they don't have people are jobless day by day. That's why they feel depression. They haven't worked to earning purpose. That's why they feel depression. That means they depression, how I can say, like depression is something mental, mental, how can I say, like I understand but I can't
You cannot explain what
uh,
it is.
yes, exactly.
It is a feeling of a state of low mood. You don't feel like doing anything. You feel sad always. That is depression. Simple.
Hmm. Yes.
So, yeah. So, how do you find this class? Do you find it useful?
This class, you are asking this class?
Session?
Okay,
Yes.
actually, mm, when I watching some videos and after that I saw that English theory has such types of clapping or Cambly types of platform, and that I asked Vikas. He is also the owner of this platform, and I asked him, if you free, then I call you. But he replied me, then you go on English theory, and then you can try to speak with me, and you can try to speak with other tutor. That's why I'm trying to understand what is the demo session. So that's why I'm be here
So,
and
what I
not.
have to say is, I'll give you a feedback. Does
Mhm.
mugging up some grammar rules or studying about grammar is actually a trap because you may know the grammar rules, but you may not be able to speak well. Fluency comes with speaking. You need to speak.
Okay,
So
but
I advise you to speak. Yeah.
okay, okay. But okay, you as you told me that speaking is very much important, but at least grammar also important because
Hello. Hello, Kaiser. Am I audible?
yes, yes, yes. Actually, wait,
Grammar is also important
yeah.
because you have been learning grammar from the preschool time. So you know the basics of grammar. Now you have to improve your speaking skills.
But I can't
So
see
that's what
you.
I'm telling you.
Okay, now I can see you. Yes, yes, absolutely. Grammar also important part of our speaking journey purpose. But we can't. suppose I'm talking with you without grammar, like I am making mistake, but that time no one can judge me. But after that, when I listen or watch my videos, then after that I realize I made some mistake on that time. So that time I feel oh, I'm not well on that particular topic purpose, speaking purpose. So that's
That's
why.
fine. You have a pretty good vocabulary. You have a good grammar. All I have to say is just speak. You can improve it.
Thank you, thank you. But could you please, understand me? What is the way we can talk and we get fluent in upcoming days?
Not understand me. Could you please tell me?
Okay, okay, okay.
Um, what language do you use with your friends?
Oh, it is so simple, my native language, but I I want to speak in English, but whenever I talk with my friends, I always use my Bengali language because it's necessary for my side. Because when I talk with them in English, they must be not familiar with me because they are not able to talk with me. That's also the reason.
Talk to. Do you talk to the mirror? Talk to the mirror in English.
Okay, tell me.
Talking to yourself in English. Think in
Yes, yes,
English.
yeah. I'm practicing with myself, and but after all, what's happened? I'm not able to talk with every situation. Sometimes I feel
It's,
stuck. I'm sometimes I stuck while talking. So
that's
this
fine.
type of.
So when you message on WhatsApp, try using English. That would be fine.
Mhm.
Like record your voice in English and send it to your friends. They won't laugh at you. To your close friends, you can improve
Yeah.
your learning skills. And of course, I would advise you to join English Yari so that you'll get a good platform to practice speaking.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I have time.
Yeah, there are a couple of minutes left. You can
Okay.
speak now.
Okay. 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 You know, you were from Kerala, as you told me. Then why Kerala's people always speak better than in other state of India? Why people talk very well in like fluent in English? Why? Because they always in edu- educated background. Is it correct or
Maybe
something?
because of that. The exact reason I don't know, but let me tell you. When we go to Tamil Nadu, we see a Tamilized version of English. Their version of English is different from our version. I don't understand why. Because the way they articulate the sounds, the way they speak in English, it's very, very different from our tone. I don't know why that happens. But in case of your language, I see no problem in your language. Your language is pretty good.
No,
And
not like it. But
I
I'm
must tell
not
you,
I'm not satisfied with my conversation purpose because I'm I want to be good command. I can't
a good
talk
command of
while
English.
yeah I am not thought that I'm stuck while talking to anyone.
The problem lies in confidence. You don't have confidence. I'll tell you
Okay.
one thing. Whenever you speak, if you run out of words, it's okay. If you stutter, it's okay. Just go ahead.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You will
And
fall, but get up.
okay. Thank you. I'm always trying to understand myself, and I need more speaking. I need more confidence day by day, but sometimes it happens that I'm doing something special or just as usual.
All I
After
have to
that,
say is the more you practice, the more you improve.
okay, yeah,
Like
absolutely,
you, I
absolutely.
also didn't have confidence in the beginning, but I started talking to my friends in English when I joined for degree. And now
Okay,
I'm a postgraduate student, and I think I can converse pretty good.
okay, yes, absolutely, absolutely. So now that's why you are in, English
English
Institute.
Yari. Yes.
So
So
What
I
you want to be upcoming days, upcoming life, upcoming, what do you want to see in yourself upcoming days?
I completed my graduation. I'm looking forward to join for PhD. I'm making my
Okay,
thesis now.
okay, okay, fine.
So I hope you found this class useful, and I'm pretty sure you're going to join English Yari.
Yeah,
You'll have a
absolutely.
good journey with English Yari.
Thank you.
It was good talking to you. Bye. Take care.
Yeah, take care. Bye bye, man.
Bye.